This is the Songbird. Right now I'm making some fried chicken. Some people don't eat fried foods because they can't. I'm making this fried chicken. I like fried chicken once in a while, not on a weekly basis or anything. You see it's bleeding. That means it's cooked all the way through to the bone. You don't see any blood, which is perfect crust. Of course, on that side it is, because that was the side that was down. This chicken right here, you can see there's cuts because it's wide, so I sliced it so that the seasoning could go through. And what you see here, those brown little bits are onions, because I cut a whole onion, stuck it in there, because sometimes I like the flavor of the onion and the oil. It goes into the chicken. At this point, I need to take it out because it's burning. And I will also flavor the chicken. I don't want it to taste burnt. So I can take these onion bits out. They're a little bit too burnt for me to want to eat, so I'm going to dispose of them. So I took them out a little earlier. I was eating them. Or we took them out, and I will use them for gravy. I can still use them for gravy, as a matter of fact, even this way. Matter of fact, I think that's what I'll do, because that makes a very flavorful gravy. The way that they're kind of browned, the way they are. So I'm going to put them in this little bowl I have, the onions. That will also make the flour turn brown faster, because you don't want the flour to be half done when we're not on the gravy part yet. Now we're just doing the chicken, which actually looks to be done almost. Just about. I see a little blood right there coming through. That means, like I said, it's cooking all the way through the bone, not just the meat. This chicken was thawed out since yesterday. See the slits? And I put little slits in it because really, basically, I don't want to stand up all day. I want to wait for it. I don't want to let it do. When it's thick like that, it might take too long to get to the bone, cook to the bone, and therefore, then you have chicken that has hard, not just crispy crust, but hard, like wood, like like the old rap said, the chicken and it was like wood, because that's when it takes way too long to get crispy, because it's too thick. And also when it's too thick like that, sometimes it takes, like I said, it takes too long to cook through into the bone. And nobody wants bloody, you want to eat a nice piece of chicken that tastes so good, and then you get down by the bone and it's bloody. There's nothing worse than that. We've all done that when we first learned how to cook. It's popping. That means there's still something. It's not fully 100%. There's either a piece of fat in the bone or whatever. So I'm going to take this out now because it is done. And for those who can't eat fried chicken, this is not for you. This cooking show is for anybody who can eat it. And there is a way to make it without it being greasy. Sure. I'm going to put this chicken in a container, and I'll be back.